Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome to Oz Homestead. So in this video, we're just using the tractor, and Jersey John here is with me, and we're clearing out some of our property here from all the fallen trees, and we're just trying to clear it out to kind of grow our homestead. So that's what we're doing in this video.
Jersey John here, checking in, working. He keeps me busy, works me hard, but today I wasn't ready for the chainsaw, so I'm just picking up the sticks. I got to give him some advice once in a while because he wants to start new areas. I said, let's finish up what we got started. Let's make that look nice and clean. So we're doing that. So like Marcus said, he's growing the channel. I've seen a lot of people subscribe. We have subscribers from all over the place, and I want to throw out a special thank you to some new subscribers we have down in Tampa.
All right, stay tuned. So no matter what I do, I can't seem to get this stump out. So I've removed enough dirt, I'm just gonna cut it off. So we got this massive fire going, and what I'm doing is just in the background there, you can see we have all this brush and all these trees that are down, and we're trying to clear it out. And all the stuff that's down and dry, all this pine, we're just adding to this fire pit here to burn it out and get rid of it, you know? So that's what we're up to. Got a separate pile I'm making over there, so once this dies down, I can add that over to here. Well, we did a decent amount today. We took a good amount of debris out of this section of woods here behind me and over there. It's burning up right now on the brush pile, and then I got another set of logs and debris that I can add to it later on in the day when the other stuff starts to burn down. The grapple and that Homestead Implements Box Blade really made a difference here when it came to coming through the woods and then smoothing out areas behind me. When I ripped out big stumps, I was able to kind of take that box blade and fill it back up with dirt, drive over it to compact it, and then put more dirt on and you know, keep doing that until I filled the hole. And then also just makes it so much easier when you can just grab things with that grapple and lift, you know, a couple 100-pound logs and just move them with ease. I mean, it's really nice to have that tractor. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing, supporting us, all the things that you guys are doing. Make sure you share the video, like and comment, and we appreciate you tuning in. Thanks a lot.